Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Do you like NFTs? Are you looking for NFT projects? Then you will like this video because we will be talking about Crypto Will Prevail. Yes, it's called Crypto Will Prevail and it's actually developed by ZZ Labs. We will talk about it in details in the next few minutes. First of all, this video is only for educational purposes, it's not financial advice, and let's dive deep into it. So guys, here we are on the platform, CryptoWillPrevail.com. First of all, let's have a look at why are we all here. We're all seeking financial security and financial freedom. Especially nowadays, everything is kind of shaky in terms of global finance and things are quite vague and unclear. So everyone is trying to understand what's going on and trying to seek a good way to invest or to save their life savings. Of course, in this kind of time and place, we can say that cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology will play a great role in saving you and saving your savings and being a good opportunity for you to invest safely in these projects. So here the project is simply as follows. As you can see here, they're here because you believe in something. And as I told you here, it's a financial awareness, or it's a financial shake-off. And things here are kind of getting you from the darkest hours in the financial sector right now and giving you hope in the blockchain advancement or the blockchain realm of things over here. And of course here you're not alone. So that would be a good introduction here as you scroll down and as you explore this website or this platform, and here you will be joining the resistance. Let's put it this way, crypto holders are seeing a different future for their finances, and of course, as I told you here previously, everyone is seeking to secure their life savings and they're trying to get more and more for their money, or at least keep up with the inflation. So blockchain technology will be a good way to do so, and we believe that the day will soon come when the whole entire planet will recognize that banks are no longer in control, when our existence is on our hand and not manipulated by small groups or governments or whatever big entities or big institutes. And this has been the whole idea that Bitcoin built on, or the whole blockchain is built on, and this is why we believe in crypto, and this is why you believe also in crypto. Of course, that's kind of a general statement, but everyone deep inside know that this is currently the truth, and that's why everyone is moving or veering towards Web3 blockchain technology. Even governments themselves, they're just veering towards blockchain technology and trying to kind of keep up with the developments happening right now in this area. So raise your hand and fight for your financial freedom. That's the main mantra here for this project. So you can join the community now and show the world that crypto will prevail even in the times like these and even in the current financial shakeout. As you can see here, simply click on one of the hands of resistance, and these are NFTs. These can express your true self, and this will give you a badge with pride and let the world know that you're actually with them and make your unique and dynamic NFT. So here we go to the NFT part of this ambitious project over here. The Hand of Resistance NFT works unlike any other NFT. That's time you don't just buy any piece of art, that's time to make it unique by your own, meaning that you can actually develop it, you can put your touch on it, and you can build it from scratch. And actually here they are building a new community completely from scratch, not really pushing in spams, not really doing anything sketchy. It's just pure people having or sharing the same interest and being like-minded. And you can see here, once you click on follow on Twitter, you will find actually that Twitter following is still growing. It's still 331, meaning that this project is in a very early stage, and it's kind of a pre-birth kind of stage. So you can secure a place and you can join a like-minded people or community here, and you can start informing yourself more. So as you can see here, the step one in getting involved is choosing your NFT squad, meaning that you should just pick a squad and just choose it and decide, okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Step two, add your own unique message to your own NFT. As you can see here, you can write a message, time to wake up, for instance, and you can just verify it and buy this unique NFT, meaning that this NFT will have your own unique message. You can have your own unique message saying something as you want, of course, you know, sky's the limit, but my advice for you, make it something nice, make it something that delivers a message in a very good mannered way. And of course you can also share it. Step 3 here, that's mint your unique NFT and share it and show the whole entire world that you're actually sharing this NFT or getting involved on this NFT. And you can share it, of course, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Telegram, or whatever. You can have it and you can have full access, of course, for your NFT. And step number 4, find yourself on the map of resistance, meaning that here you will be officially in the community, and here you will find that this grid here with this grid map, this is actually group skeleton, for instance, and these are the X and Y coordinations for you, or coordinates for you, and that message for you is just showing here time to wake up, for instance. And of course you can change the message anytime and show the world as things develop. Of course here these are the groups. As I told you, these are the NFT groups you might choose from right now. You can choose from steel hands, skeletons, you can alien hands, octopus hands, Spider-Man hands, and you can scroll and see what's going on. And pixelated hands, some people are into some form of NFTs, or they veer more towards pixelated. Some people are pro animals, some people are just into kittens. So you can just choose your unique NFT and start these previous process here to show the world that you're actually supporting and getting involved. So you can also get special here once you mint, and you can start minting right now. And here is the map of resistance. What's the map of resistance over here? Here, that's kind of representing the community, and you will automatically earn your unique spot on the map of resistance and let the whole entire world know. And here, that's a robot map, or the robot NFT, as you can see here, and you can actually scroll through and see what's going on, and you can show your message on the map of resistance, and you can show the message on this grid that you're saying a statement, that you're giving your statement worldwide and saying it loud and clear. And you can also find yourself on the map of resistance and check what other community members have already messaged, meaning that you can interact with each other in a very intuitive, it's kind of unique way to say messages to each other and to give your statement worldwide, and you just make yourself visible. Like-minded people as well can join you over here. As I told you, as you scroll down, you will find yourself joining Telegram or joining Discord or joining Twitter. A quick overview of what's going on here. Also, as you scroll up, you will find that it's powered by ZZ CryptoLabs. Of course, big name in the market, big name in the space here. Go beyond your crypto, meaning that they are developing crypto projects, and here they can help assist you also on delivering your cryptos. And here they're giving 50 free ZZ CryptoPASS if you wish to participate over here. Everything, as I told you, is linked down below in the description, and you can register. But let's go back to Prevail. That's a general overview of this ambitious project and these hands to say, no, we will prevail and we want to save our finances. And you can give your message in a very unique and distinct way over here. Follow these steps and things will become very understandable and very fluid for you. So guys, again, at the end, I would like to remind you once more that there will be only 625 pieces available in 10 thematic groups. So you can scroll here, you can have a look, and then you can decide which is your favorite. And of course, you can share your own message, and minters may personalize every NFT they have with their own unique message, as we discussed. And the overview of the NFT groups here will be introducing the characters, checking characters in sight, and choosing your character carefully. This will be games and rewards later on. So everything will be interconnected in the near future, and there is only 625 available. So you might need to act quickly on this one and make up your mind. So as you can see here, collection is great and the hands are quite nice. Some people might like these pets, some people might like some gorillas, some people might like just normal hands or whatever, or pixelated. But in general, this project is aiming to share a message, and you can share a message through that project over here. So I would highly recommend you to check the link down below and give it a try. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about Crypto Will Prevail project. It's a great NFT project that I would highly advise you to check it out. Everything is linked down below in the description. Inform yourself more, and things are getting moving again in the market. So I would highly advise you to check it out and not miss out on this great opportunity. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below. And until next time, bye bye.